4 AI agents just completed 6 months of complex medical research in 30 minutes, fundamentally changing scientific discovery forever. Future House, backed by former Google CEO Eric Schmidt, has created digital scientists that can scan thousands of research papers, identify knowledge gaps, design experiments, and propose new drug molecules autonomously. Future House, backed by former Google CEO Eric Schmidt, has created digital scientists that can scan thousands of research papers, identify knowledge gaps, design experiments, and propose new drug molecules autonomously. These aren't research tools. They're autonomous co-researchers named Crow, Falcon, Owl, and Phoenix that work together as a complete scientific workforce. They just demonstrated their power by tackling polycystic ovary syndrome research, delivering actionable insights and novel drug candidates in under half an hour. This represents the democratization of scientific discovery, where anyone, anywhere, can access research capabilities that previously required entire university departments and million-dollar budgets. Crow operates as a rapid response scientific assistant that scans thousands of research papers, clinical studies, and databases to answer complex technical questions instantly. It provides evidence-backed summaries citing real peer-reviewed papers with superhuman speed and accuracy. Falcon serves as the deep thinker, generating comprehensive literature reviews and meta-analyses by synthesizing multiple sources. Tasks that would require graduate students or postdocs weeks to complete are finished in minutes with professional quality output. Owl functions as the experiment validator, determining what research has already been conducted to prevent redundant experiments. It reveals whether other laboratories have attempted similar work and provides detailed analysis of their results and methodologies. Phoenix acts as the AI chemist, proposing new compounds, predicting their behavior, and advising on cost-effective synthesis pathways. It bridges the gap between theoretical research and practical application by designing molecules and synthesis routes. The PCOS case study showcases unprecedented research acceleration. Within minutes, Crow identified understudied genes associated with this complex hormonal disorder that affects millions of women worldwide. The system rapidly analyzed vast databases to pinpoint research opportunities. Owl validated that these identified genes hadn't been recently studied, confirming the novelty and potential impact of pursuing this research direction. This prevented wasted effort on redundant investigations while highlighting genuine knowledge gaps. Falcon synthesized a comprehensive literature review connecting hormonal pathways, genetic factors, and treatment approaches. The analysis provided context and theoretical framework that would typically require extensive manual research and synthesis. Phoenix generated theoretical drug molecules targeting the identified pathways and provided detailed synthesis methods. The AI chemist delivered not just concepts, but actionable pharmaceutical development strategies complete with cost analysis and feasibility assessments. Future House's platform is live, accessible, and completely free, enabling anyone to start building scientific workflows immediately. Students, professors, and curious outsiders can operate with the power of entire research departments without traditional barriers. A lone researcher in a developing country with limited equipment access can now leverage capabilities equivalent to major R&D departments. This eliminates geographical and financial constraints that have historically limited scientific participation and innovation. The mission involves making research 10 times cheaper, 100 times faster, and 1,000 times more accessible. This could enable breakthrough discoveries from unexpected sources. Teenagers in Brazil finding cancer therapies, or high schoolers in India building climate models surpassing university capabilities. If you liked the video, don't forget to press the like button, comment, and subscribe to the channel. The platform removes gatekeeping and bureaucracy from early-stage science, potentially unleashing global innovation from researchers previously excluded from cutting-edge discovery processes due to resource limitations. Future House emphasizes augmentation over replacement, envisioning AI agents handling tedious, time-consuming research tasks while human scientists focus on creativity, intuition, and innovation. This creates optimal division of labor, leveraging both machine efficiency and human insight. The autonomous pipeline can analyze diseases, identify treatment gaps, and propose drug candidates without human intervention in routine tasks. However, human scientists provide vision, ethical guidance, and creative leaps that transform raw insights into meaningful discoveries. This model enables scientific progress independent of traditional constraints, including time limitations, manpower availability, and massive budget requirements. Research cycles accelerate dramatically while maintaining quality and advancing human knowledge frontiers. Critical challenges include ensuring accuracy validation, preventing over-reliance on AI-generated data, maintaining transparency in proprietary systems, and addressing job displacement concerns across academic and pharmaceutical sectors. Future House represents a seismic shift in scientific research methodology, transforming discovery from resource-intensive, time-consuming processes to rapid, accessible, AI-augmented workflows. The democratization enables global participation in cutting-edge research previously limited to elite institutions. The emergence of autonomous digital scientists creates unprecedented opportunities for breakthrough discoveries, while raising essential questions about validation, accountability, and equitable access. Success depends on maintaining open platforms rather than privatized, restricted systems. The future of science involves faster, flatter, more AI-augmented ecosystems where anyone can contribute to major breakthroughs. However, realizing this potential requires careful navigation of ethical implications, validation protocols, and ensuring these powerful tools remain accessible rather than hoarded by privileged few. Scientific discovery acceleration through AI agents could solve humanity's greatest challenges faster than ever imagined, provided we guide development responsibly and maintain focus on wisdom rather than mere knowledge accumulation.